What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol BKKT for Bakkt holdings. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, it's been a while, my old friend. This used to be a popular name here on the channel, as we were, of course, making a euphoric push there, even as we were pulling back and making some of those pops in there. Regardless, we're going to clear the drawing set. We're going to stop reminiscing here and just get right down to business and come back in with a clean daily roadmap. So we just want to point out where the obvious areas of support and resistance are, and then we'll talk more nuance as we drill down to the 30-minute intraday time frame. That's roughly what I'm seeing that might be important into this upcoming week. Obviously, if you were to draw in a resistance trend line, something that would be extremely steep like that, that's clearly that it's been broken, right? Sideways through time, and also today with price, big green volume coming in on today's session, breaking out of this little area of balance that we've seen, right? So to me, we had a look below and fail, targeted the top end of the range. Great, that worked out. Now we have a breakout of the top of the range. Typically what we look for is a doubling of the range, and you can easily see that we have fulfilled that range double target. So to me, the next structural element to watch out for is 660, and then the flush point from up here around 842. On any pullbacks, now it's the line in the sand here at 460 to ensure that we have nothing more than a break and retest. Again, looking for support around this area. Be on the lookout for hammer candles that print, indecision doji candles that print, basically anything that makes you question, right? Is this just a pullback? Can we flip long over those highs and then reattempt an equal high up there closer to 620? That's what I'm thinking about from the daily time frame. If you want to keep it really simple from a grand scheme of things, you could just come in with a support trend line and start to look at something like that. As long as we're above it, fine. We're underway and trying to make a reversal here inside of Bakkt. In terms of the 30-minute intraday time frame, what else can we learn about the price action here? Well, we're going to take out the Fibonacci's from the low of today's session all the way on up to the high of the first pullback. What you'll notice is that the consolidation held perfectly at the 38.2, so buyers extremely strong there. Let's come in from the low all the way on up to the true high of day, and even on the end of day, let's get a click, there we go. Even on the end of day pullback, which was fairly nasty across the broader marketplace, nearly taking away almost 100% of the day's range, right? You can clearly see that this never even came close to your 38.2. So to me, the buyers look to be strong here. They closed fairly strong. The pullbacks weren't too aggressive. Nice accumulation during that phase right there. The volume remained steady throughout the course of the day, and that's going to be the last thing I'll leave you with is if this is going to continue on a momentum style type move and really get going to the upside. Like if you're someone who's really optimistic and saying, oh, it's got to make its way up and over 10, then volume is going to be critical for you in your belief system, right? If volume even tapers off a little bit here, let's say that we drop down to like 2 million shares per 30-minute bar on tomorrow's session, don't look for this to continue. It's probably going to roll back over. Maybe that gives us the break and retest, so back down here closer to 460. But if volume's not there, don't push your luck to the upside in a name like this. If volume wants to remain elevated, so I would just say like 5 million shares or greater per 30-minute bar, then fantastic, right? Look for more eyeballs, more money to be flowing into the stock, and some of these upper targets to be hit sooner rather than later. So that's all I've got for you inside of Bakkt. If you enjoyed the video today or learned anything new, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description. And all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.